Welcome, everyone, to the Contributor Comms team meeting before KubeCon on Friday, November 7th, 2025. We're
Here
all
we
at our
are.
wits' end, and it's going to be a fun one.
Putting it mildly.
As a reminder, this meeting operates under a code of conduct, which essentially says to be respectful of your fellow speakers and attendees and generally be excellent to each other. Here at the beginning of the meeting, we like to offer an opportunity for anyone on the call to introduce themselves. Today, I would like anyone who is a host to please introduce yourself as the host of this meeting. I'll start out. I'm Caslin Fields, and I'm one of the co-leads of this sub-project, which is the Contributor Communications sub-project. The purpose of this group is to make sure that folks within the contributor community in Kubernetes know about things that are going on that they ought to know about, and also that folks outside of the contributor community know about the awesome work that contributors are doing. Which of my other hosts would like to introduce yourselves?
Hello, everyone. I'm Chris Short. I'm the other co-lead of comms, and I am your resident, holy shit, I need help, Kubernetes KubeCon person.
Welcome to our meeting today.
Mm-hmm.
I can go next. I'm Fred. And that's pretty much it.
A host of this meeting, a co-host of this meeting.
I'm a host, yes. Amongst other things, I'm a host of this meeting. I've been a part of SIG ContribEx comms for a couple of years now. I'm mostly working on the blogging side of things. I'm a cloud architect at SAS. And that's it.
Any of our other hosts like to introduce yourselves? All right. The joke there is that we made everyone on the meeting a co-host of the meeting in Zoom before we went into this.
Because that's how
And
we
I'm
roll.
I can
super
do it.
amused.
I'm typing and thinking in parallel matters, and I'm not good
You
at
don't
this.
have
Hi, I'm
to.
Mario.
I'm just making jokes.
No, I'm now doing it. No, I'm Mario. I do stuff in Kubernetes, and I am a co-chair for SIG ContribEx and one of the organizers for a working group AI conformance, and I'm doing FinOps for SIG Infra.
Oh, nice.
And I do comms stuff, but way too less now because time.
Yes.
Name a leadership position. Mario's probably in it.
Yep.
Oh, I'm Susan Sika. I didn't realize I also had host. And
You are also host.
that I am also hosting today.
Everyone's a
I am-
co-host in this meeting.
Everyone's a co-host, equality for all.
Yes.
Yes, have been contributing for a couple months, still learning, enjoying being here.
Susan is our social media programs lead.
Yes.
Yes.
We should probably go ahead and anoint her the position.
Oh my gosh. I've been stuck with that role for 5 years.
No. Back it up. I've just become
really,
host.
though?
Let's take it slow here.
We have, though. You've done this for 2 KubeCons already.
Well, yeah.
You got the experience we need, it seems.
Just wait until you hear my stupid questions later, and you will walk that back real quick.
I mean, that sounds
No,
like leadership.
I seriously
Oh,
doubt
that's
it.
fair.
That is what leaders do. I'm not sure if you've noticed.
Ask all the dumb questions.
Yes.
That is the job.
I saw a meme today, and I really loved this meme. And it was not a meme. It was, and I need to share this because it's so hilarious. I just need to pull it up really quick. It is about.
You're co-host, so you can share your screen if you want to.
Yeah.
No, I cannot share it because of GDPR.
Browser.
They thought AI how to talk. They taught AI how to talk like a corporate middle manager, and they thought this meant the AI was conscious instead of realizing that corporate middle managers aren't conscious.
That's
First, I was going to say
hilarious.
they had to train it to do that, but
Right.
also, yeah, yep, that's good. That's a good one.
So we will
Alright.
never have conscious AI if they trained it on middle management.
True.
This is true.
Okay.
All right, we'll do actual meeting things now. And the number one thing on our agenda is KubeCon posts. We're going to go straight on ahead into that. So I'm going to bring up the sheet. Oh, I'm not actually sharing my screen today. I will do that.
You can fix that.
I can
You have
indeed
the power.
fix that. Here we are. Why do I only see rows 5,
Oh,
6, 7, and
don't
8?
worry. Don't worry.
Oh,
I
the
have it.
question.
I have it filtered,
All right.
filtered to my question ones. Okay, so the first one
Smart.
is resolved by the previous conversation. We do have presence, so I can schedule that one as written. 7 and 8 are a little bit over the
Wait.
character.
There is an edit for 5, though.
Okay.
So we're not going to have booths for specific SIGs or anything.
Okay.
I'm thinking of the project pavilion. We're not going to have booths for the SIGs or anything in the project pavilion. At the meet and greet, we usually have like tables with like a little table sign on it, and it'll be SIG contributor experience, not comms. So it'll be a table, and it'll
Yes.
be SIG ContribEx, no comms.
And we have pins.
Excellent. I think
Should
I
I
have a
put
bunch
that
of
in
those.
parentheses? We'll have pins.
Right.
They're
not above
contributor
board
No,
with
pins.
don't say
swag.
that. Yeah.
Well,
You'll get
those
Well,
SIG
swag.
you can-
ContribEx pins we can give to anybody.
Yeah.
True.
We do have pins.
Yeah, we got pens. Yeah.
We have pins.
It's so funny.
Each SIG has their own pins. That's how it works. We like set out on the tables. Each SIG has their own like can badge buttons. And
I wanted to put it up, but I don't have one here.
Collectibles.
Yeah,
I have
there.
one. It's over there.
Over yonder.
Okay, 7 and 8. Aman wrote these. They're just a tad bit too long for the character limit. So if we wanted to change one of them, I can use it for both. And then the last question is that, so Swathi was amazing and rewrote some of the LinkedIn posts. I had just done, the copy paste of what I had written for the shorter ones. Yesterday, she had time to go in and pretty them up a little bit.
Amazing.
I either can't figure it out in Buffer or just don't have the ability to edit something that's already scheduled or delete it and replace it. So there's a couple LinkedIn posts that are now way cooler and need to be updated. So they
I
can
mean,
be
that
fabulous.
Sounds awesome.
That sounds like you're in a
Access-
leadership position that needs more privileges.
I could see that wheel turning in your head as I was speaking. It's like, this is going downhill so fast. What? Yet I just kept talking.
We can do that for you if you want. But also,
Okay.
I would be perfectly happy giving you the level of privilege where you can do that yourself if you want.
Yeah.
That
Very
may
same.
also answer my next question is that, so the first round I did in Buffer, probably for the last KubeCon, it would let me change the time zone. But when I did it this time, if I'm
So
on all
there's-
channels, I can change it. But if I go to a specific
It
account,
doesn't change.
it
Yes.
is locked. So you have to manually do the math in your head of the time differential to
Yes.
schedule it at 5 a.m. Los Angeles time. Is that
And
normal?
that is not normal. There's
Okay.
two different places you have to update the time zone in Buffer, and it's the most frustrating feature that they haven't figured out yet. It's just like,
Yeah.
if I set it for all channels, actually set the setting for all channels. It doesn't
Yep.
work like that, sadly.
And if I try to change it in the channel, it's grayed out. You can click on
Yes.
it, but then it's grayed
Yeah.
out and I can't change it.
Right, because that's an administrator setting. So we're going to fix that
Cute.
for you. Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
Thank you so much for dealing with that. We hit that
Oh, no
problem
problem.
years ago, and ever
Many
since
years ago.
Yeah, I usually change the time zone for everything before we get all of the things scheduled, but I didn't do it this time. But it'd be great if you
We
wanted
were just
to.
too efficient. Yes, I'm happy to do that.
I think
Well, good.
I think
At
you'll become
least
an
I was
admin.
well, think that was already happening after the replacement post, so Fix all my problems in one action. Perfect.
Mhm.
All right.
Okay, so
Susan.
rewording 7 and 8 is all we have to do, and then I will schedule the rest of these, and y'all can enjoy KubeCon without worrying about a single unscheduled post.
I feel
You
so
are now
free.
you now have a step under God mode in the buffer account, by the way.
Perfect. Thank you.
And if you're interested in God mode, we could work that direction.
We'll get there. We'll get there.
Indeed.
I actually forget
Yeah.
yeah. Anyways, go ahead.
KubeCon Amsterdam, I think, is a good point.
To get God mode?
Yeah.
That's not
She's-
that far off.
She knows the trick you're pulling.
Oh yes,
Mhm.
see through the BS. I know. This is not my first rodeo.
I'm so
Nice.
happy and excited about this though. Like really, my first leadership role in the comms team was being social media lead, and I have been trying to find someone to take it over ever since, and I'm so excited right now.
Yeah. Caslin, the number of
This is
times
not
you've had to heroically do social media is too high.
Yeah. Thanks,
in a
Susan.
hotel room in Japan mid-conference. That was
Mm-hmm.
That was
can.
Or they're
normal.
at the keynotes messaging someone else that's back
Oh
home
yeah, right.
saying,
Oh,
"Can you
Yeah.
please help us?"
oh no.
Yeah, this was Paris, right? This was Paris
Yeah, yeah.
when we had the.
I was not in the keynotes. Y'all were, so I was back in my hotel room doing all the work because I was just like, "Fuck it, I'm gonna watch it on video." And thank God I did.
All you had to do was find someone who would inform their wife that she would be helping with something, and there you go. That's all. That's
Thank
all
you,
it took.
Jeff and Susan, of course.
Yes. Just got to get voluntold.
And also, thank you for all the Wednesday coffees,
But-
Susan.
Oh, you're very welcome. I
I don't
hope
know what
you
that's
benefit
about,
from those also. I'm guessing everyone in that meeting
Coffees?
benefits from it.
Yeah, there's I have
Literal coffee.
I have a week I have a weekly with Jiffy, and it's on
Mm.
Wednesday, and always while the meeting is happening, there's magically coffee appearing for Jiffy.
The arm comes in and
Oh,
hands off the
yes. I think
coffee.
I've seen that arm on other calls. Yes.
Yeah, I have no doubt. I have no doubt.
Amazing.
It benefits you all, I'm sure.
But this is awesome, and we are here to support you. We want you to be in a leadership role that benefits you. So, like, we need to update the GitHub page to show that you have that leadership role. And so I hope that's something that will benefit you in other aspects of life as well.
I should probably sort out org membership, huh?
You should.
We should.
I will get to it.
We should line that all up and make it
That
happen.
was on the list for this week and it just did not happen. But
It's okay.
it's a
It
later
happens.
problem.
We'll make it
you just
happen
need
very
it
quickly.
for Amsterdam.
After yes, this is an after KubeCon NA problem for all.
I mean, you could put it in during KubeCon, and I would go ahead and LGTM and approve it.
With your abundant free time. No.
Right. I
Please
get the
try to
notification
enjoy
from
the
GitHub
effect.
and done.
You gotta turn those off sometimes. Just
No, I
touch
have them
grass.
turned off for
Touch
everything
grass.
but the community repo.
Oh, that's fair.
Yeah.
All right, we're 30 minutes in, and I think that was it for the KubeCon post questions.
Mhm.
Yes, unless someone actively wants to try to help rows 7 and 8 hit the character limit. If not, I can fix it later today and schedule it.
Oh yeah, I was thinking just take off the location.
Perfect.
Or remove registration hall, because everything is registration hall as far as I looked at the plan.
Oh, really?
basically,
Okay.
I don't.
Good to know.
I will try that, see if that fixes it, and I'll trim it some more if not.
Yeah. I think you can trim as much as you need off the end, even up to like removing the time part, maybe. No, it's badge pickup, so probably leave that part somehow. But
Okay.
definitely
I'll
you
figure
can
it out.
remove the whole location. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Appreciate
Thanks. Appreciate you.
Alrighty. Anything else on KubeCon posts? Probably good there.
Yep, all good.
Cool. Any other updates, big wins, or new items that we should discuss going into KubeCon next week? Oh, there is a new item.
Well, there is.
The election
Election.
blog.
We somehow didn't ask Roosevelt to do that. Or he
This
didn't know
happens
he had to do that.
every time. There needs
We
to
need to.
be. I thought that
Yeah.
there was a guide on comms for election. I guess I made a
There
doc.
was.
There was.
Yeah. This happens a lot though when you get a new lead. They haven't done much of that before. And that's a little tricky with elections because it's like you need a very like kind of
Buttoned up.
siloed off group of people to do elections. So it makes sense that things would kind of fall through the cracks. But so we have a thread in the ContribEx Slack about a blog for the election. One of the winners, which have been announced, asked if it was coming because we normally do a blog on kubernetes.io about the election, which is kind of the job of the comms liaison typically of the election process. And so I asked the comms liaison if there was a plan for one, and the answer was no. So we're working on getting that figured out. I think Arujval is probably going to get that going for us, but we should keep an eye on it to see if we need to help.
We're here to help. It wasn't.
Does he know that he's going to do it?
Yeah, that.
Okay.
I don't know if he knows that.
Well, there's a. Let's. I guess I should.
I mean, maybe he does. I haven't caught up on the conversation lately.
I know that Priyanka put in a link to one of the past ones and explained that typically we do have one. And Arujval pinged in there and asked, like,
he
is this a
created
thing
the
I need to
blog
do?
post.
Oh, he's already done? I hadn't even seen that update.
Looks like it, if I'm looking at this message right.
Arujval
He's done the mirroring. He's done everything. Wow. I got pull requests here. All right. PRs here coming at you, Zoom chat.
Perfect.
Thank you, Arujval. Did it
Yeah,
9
Arujval's
hours
great.
ago. That is amazing. Thank you so much, Arujval. I cannot thank you enough.
Yeah. He's dealing with a somewhat poorly documented role, and he's doing the best he can with it.
Doing a great job. I'll just say that, right? Like, no issues
doing
with
the
the
best he
election
can, anyway.
process is a big deal. All right.
There have been issues with this elections process, but they're not his fault.
No.
Yeah.
We have now.
Awesome.
We have now 9 months to figure this. No, 7 months, 8 months to figure this out.
So what you're saying is I need to take a note to do something about the comms guide. Yeah.
Thinking about that.
Yeah, we should probably do something about that. Because the other thing with the elections officers is that they rotate, so they exist during the term of the election, and then they don't. So if things need to happen in between, got to figure out somebody else to do it. So
who is lead on the election? Do we have a lead on the elections sub-project?
Josh Burkus.
Mr. Fuzzy.
Yeah, Fuzzy Chef.
Fuzzy Chef.
He should not be the lead of the election sub-project. It's just like the mentoring one where like he like created those and hasn't found someone to take over. So
Susan, if you wanted to.
I knew this was coming.
I had to do it.
There's a trend in Kubernetes to have multiple leadership roles.
Yeah.
I have noticed that.
If you're a person who does things, you tend to end up doing more things.
Yeah.
It's a thing. It's a thing.
Indeed.
But I always want to call out everything in open source is pretty much on a volunteer basis. Unless you have a company paying you to do it, you're not getting paid to do it. So it is always by your choice. You always have a choice.
In German, by the way, it's called Ehrenamt, which translates roughly in honorable position.
That's awesome.
Aw.
German has
Ah.
one for everything.
Mhm.
Awesome.
It generally fills an entire line, but it does have a word for everything.
Right.
Exactly.
Hmm.
So this blog draft is done. It's pretty easy once you know that you need to do it. It's like you take
Yeah.
the blog from the previous year and you change the names in it.
Bingo.
So it looks like Ray
Ray has some
gave some
comments.
small comments.
And I know Arujval is probably off doing weekend things right now. So
Which is fine.
Which is
yeah,
fine,
no,
yeah.
that's
This will
totally
be fine.
Yeah. Like we'll get it out next week. That's fine.
Cool. So if anyone on this call wants to sorry, go ahead, Susan.
Oh, I was just saying formatting wise, all I see is a missing period. So this is great.
If you want to add that in,
Yeah,
Yeah.
go ahead. Feel free.
add a comment. Feedback is a gift that we appreciate here in the open source community. And if anyone else wants to do a quick review of that and offer any comments to Arujval, we would all appreciate it. Yeah, so we should put it on the agenda for one of our future meetings, like next month or something, and as many meetings as we have next month, to talk about the elections comms documentation and how we can help make that better for folks next time. I really appreciate when someone new comes into a role that one of us has had in the past and shows us how poorly documented it is.
Mhm. I mean, that's the truth, though. It's hard to document what you're actively doing when you're volunteering to do it, right?
Especially when
I get it.
you are like a lead who has done a lot of this kind of work. There's a lot of things that you just kind of do. And then when you try to bring in someone new and try to make it an opportunity for them to grow, sometimes it's a growth opportunity.
Mhm.
Cool. That reminded me of another topic that I wanted to discuss today, which is which meetings are we canceling? So we've got KubeCon next week.
Ooh,
Federico,
yes.
you're going to be not at KubeCon, it sounds like.
I'm going to be not at KubeCon. Yes, it's exactly. Yeah. No. Yes.
Yeah. So if you wanted to run the meeting, you are welcome to. Otherwise, we'll just cancel it and you can have a break.
Either
you
way,
prefer.
I'm fine
Just
with doing
cancel
it.
it, Caslin. Cancel it.
Yeah.
I would also cancel
I
it. And I think the other thing is then Thanksgiving.
Yeah. That's the last week of November.
Yeah.
Yep.
Just cancel it because if nobody else
Yeah.
is going
No
to
one's
be
gonna
here,
be I'm gonna be not
here.
conscious.
Yeah. Unless you had blog things going on and thought you might be able to get some of the folks working on blogs on and
I don't think
with them.
that if we take today as an example, if next week is the same, it will be me, I against I, as the as the lyrics go. So yes, I think we should just cancel it for next week.
Okay. I am also actually out the week after KubeCon and then
I'll
Thanksgiving
be
week as
here.
well. So I'm out like 3 weeks in a row.
It's almost like
Okay.
you're like
So
you're in
the
Europe.
21st. 21st, right? You're not here?
Let me check. Yes, correct.
Got it.
I'm
All
supporting a workshop in Canada and I'll still be in Canada that day. So it'd be hard for me to run it.
As one does.
Cool. So we will cancel next week. We will keep the week after, and then we'll cancel American Thanksgiving.
Yes, most definitely.
I mean, we have a lot of folks on our calls who are not in the US, so sometimes we keep the Thanksgiving meeting, but cool. And then as we get toward the holidays, we usually start canceling them like the 19th and the 26th. And then
Go ahead and kill them.
January
Go ahead and off them.
2nd.
Yeah,
Do we
I will
want
be
January
out.
2nd or not?
January 2nd, I'm out. I'm out until basically second week of. I have 4 weeks of vacation.
Nice.
Excellent.
I've only
Good.
done that
We
once in
support
my
this.
life.
And I also said that I also promised myself that I will not do open source in this period of time.
Yeah, you better
Oh.
not.
You better run and hide, buddy. We know how to find you.
Because I have the tendency to also attend meetings while I'm on vacation.
Mhm.
I've noticed that, and I've been very concerned
You
about
gotta stop that.
it. I appreciate it, but also I would more appreciate you being able to continue to be a part of our groups on the long
Mhm.
term.
If we're all
Oh, cool.
hosts, we could just kick him.
Yeah.
If he attends meetings that he shouldn't, give him
New
the boot.
policy.
I may
Everyone in
slip
comms meetings.
Susan
Let
the
us help
host key.
you.
Ooh, also a reminder that I wanted to give, which is related to canceling meetings as well as Susan taking on more leadership. The comms meetings do not have to be led by me.
No, they
Everyone
don't.
is welcome.
Yes, and I actually have a transcript of your intro that I've been waiting to like actually put together into a formal like thing.
That's
All right.
perfect. So if anyone ever wants to, you're welcome.
I will drop out now because I need to buy cat food for the time I'm not
Okay.
here.
Very
Oh yeah,
important.
yeah. Feed the
Uh,
cats, man.
See you all in KubeCon, or not all of you, but see most of you KubeCon North America.
Mhm.
I will arrive tomorrow evening.
Have a safe trip.
I will too. Yep.
Hope it goes smoothly for everyone.
Yeah, I'll be in tomorrow night too.
I hope so. I hope, and I hope I make it on time because I have a very important date in the evening.
Oh, okay.
Seeing LA Lakers play for the first time in person.
Oh.
Oh,
You're
I
gonna
like
get off
that.
an international flight and go to a game?
Yes.
That tracks.
What could possibly go wrong?
This is what we're talking about, Mario. You go too hard. Right.
I watched Lakers games when I was a child and when I was young, and I never managed to see them in person. And now they play on Saturday in Atlanta, so obviously I need to go.
Right.
I respect
Might
this.
as well.
Now, I
Mad
don't
respect
want to
for that.
hear that you were doing open source while at the game. That is a no. That is
He is though because he's there for KubeCon, so kind of by default.
yeah.
Well,
Well.
I'm going there
Wow.
with George and Jiffy.
Oh,
Oh,
I'll
that,
just
sh that
instruct
should be.
Jiffy to slap your phone out of your hand if he sees you reviewing PRs or anything of this nature.
We're depending on you, GP.
Right.
All right.
All
Go get
right.
that cat food. Thanks for joining us.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Alrighty. So I just canceled 4 out of our next 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, out of our next 8 meetings.
Welcome to the end of the year.
Woo!
So it was November 14th and 28th, and then December 19th and 26th. Is that right?
Correct. Already showing up on your calendar?
No, I'm deleting it off my work calendar.
Gotcha.
And then I
Hopefully
will miss
we'll
the 5th because I will be in Japan.
Right. Have fun.
Thanks, I shall.
They should have a maintainer event for you to go to there for you to celebrate your maintainership.
Mm.
Well,
Would
I
you like
think
to run the Maintainer Summit? Sorry.
no. This is snowballing. I
No.
think that Swathi said she was presenting at OSS Japan, so I might get to see her.
Yay.
Oh, cool. That's awesome.
Mhm.
That's awesome. Swathi's going places. We love it. All right. So we've gone over new items and updates and big wins, what we could remember. I guess I'll put a note in our notes about canceled 4 out of the next 8 meetings. There was one more actually. Do we want to keep January 2nd or just go ahead and get rid of that one as well? Opinions?
Feel like most people tend to, since it's on a Friday, I think most people disappear for that whole week.
Yes.
I'll miss it for a doctor's appointment anyway, but yeah, I think most people take that whole rest of
I'm
the
going to
week.
kill it. So I've now canceled 5 out of the next 9 meetings.
Jeez.
I feel a little bad about, but
We have Slack
lots of breaks.
if there's
Yep, we
urgent
do have
things.
Slack. Cool. 5 out of the next 9 meetings. So that's new items and updates and big wins. I think the message of the week is that KubeCon is happening. There's so
Yes.
many things that we'll need to post about. We might want to go ahead right now and draft up that AI conformance post that we need to post after the keynotes on Tuesday. Just something about the program because they announced it at KubeCon Japan, and there will be more at KubeCon North America.
That's the one that I'm waiting on Mario's input, right?
Oh yeah, that's right. So we can wait.
Yes.
Well, you were gonna do a blog. He was hoping for a blog from you, but we could also have you do the social media post if you want, Frederick.
Well, sure. The social media post would certainly should be something that is aligned with the blog. So I guess after the blog is done, it's no skin off my teeth to actually add that as well, if it helps, obviously.
The blog will be a little later, though. We want something after the keynotes on Tuesday, and then later we'll probably publish the blog.
And
or whenever you can get it done.
Should that go into the buffer, into the Excel file first, and then?
You can go ahead and put it straight into buffer if you're comfortable doing that.
Okay.
Just make sure you let us know that it's there so that we can review it for
but
you.
for that, I need to read on it first. Apart from the stuff that Mario is going to send me, is there anything that so if I wanted to send it today, I would need to read something. Where is that information currently?
Let's see. It's already been announced, so there are some resources out. AI Conformance, Kubernetes, CNCF. How's my Google food today? Let's see. AI overview. Help us build
Kubernetes Conformance for AI. Jeffrey Sicca, head of projects, CNCF.
Yep. That would be a great resource. It's not very long. There's not a whole lot there, but there are a couple other links.
And the social media would be posted when?
We want it posted on Tuesday at about 10:30 a.m. Pacific time, or Eastern time, or 11 a.m. Eastern time. 10:30, 11.
So I'll let you do the scheduling, the precise one.
I can do that.
And the content of it should be more about, here this is, help us out. It's a call for participation, or is more of a announcement?
Those meetings are some of the biggest meetings that I've been on in all of open source Kubernetes. I started going to them when they first opened it, and they had like 50 people on them.
Which one? Sorry.
The AI conformance meetings.
Oh, yeah. I stopped going to those because.
So
Jesus.
I think it's more like, there's going to be more announcements about the program happening at KubeCon. So it's like, hey, this is a thing that's happening. Learn more about it through the announcements coming out around KubeCon. Keep an eye out.
And yes, and a link to the program or to whatever, right?
Yeah, but we won't have. I think there's probably going to be new links coming out during KubeCon week. So if we wanted to just do a generic post to be like,
right,
watch out for stuff.
Okay. Get it.
We could just do that.
It's more around, this is going to happen. Keep an eye out, and then we will likely post more when something happens. Understood.
I think that'd be perfect.
I'll do something during the weekend and post it in buffer, and feel free to edit it drastically or accept it or whatever.
Sounds good. Having a draft is very valuable. And we are already at 7 minutes left in our meeting.
I need to and I need to drop a bit early to prepare for the next one.
Same.
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, I have no updates except that we've insisted with the SIG author again. So during the week, let's hope that it works this time.
Cool.
Cool. And social posts about AI conformance. All right. I've got the things you're working on noted in the notes.
Excellent. I'll refer to them tomorrow, and I'll work on them, and we can talk through Slack later. Have a
Sounds
great
good.
KubeCon, everyone. I wish I was there, but there
We
will
will
be
miss
other
you.
opportunities eventually. So, yeah, have a great weekend as well.
You too.
Bye.
See
Take
ya.
it easy.
Bye bye.
All right.
I think
good
we've
here?
covered everything important. So we've got 5 minutes left for screaming. So I think I'll turn off the recording now so that we can just scream.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for joining us today, YouTube. We'll see you next time.